Jamaica 50 celebrations are almost at fever pitch. The Jamaica 50 Secretariat has planned 3 main events that you can participate in, whether you're here in Jamaica or abroad. There's the Jubilee Village, live sites, and of course, the Grand Gala. Remember last year? This year will be even better. But first, let's start off with the Jamaica 50 Golden Jubilee Village. The entire facilities at Independence Park will be abuzz with activities.
The National Arena, converted to an exposition center, the National Indoor Center will also be used as a primary performance center. And then we are converting the parking lot and the adjoining lands into what we consider the major part of the village.
There will be booths, exhibits, a stage area for presentations, and a host of other things. Jamaica 50 Golden Jubilee Village will be open from midday to 12 a.m. on August 1 through 6. Now, a number of live sites will also be erected in town areas across the island on August 5. Just as I am watching this now, Jamaicans will be able to watch aspects of the special broadcast program, different races from the Olympics, the Grand Gala, and other features about Jamaica from different screens in each parish.
So it will afford us the opportunity to be sharing what activities are happening elsewhere in the island, what else is happening during the Grand Gala, maybe footage from time to time from the actual Jubilee Village. We will be able to have persons being a part of the celebrations that are happening there in Kingston. We'll be able to show from time to time components of the live broadcast.
This live broadcast is a special television program that will be streamed live at www.jamaica50.com.
There will be an embeddable code which will allow anybody anywhere in the world to be able to upload it to their own websites, and so we'll be able to share the footage with the wider global audience.
And to top it all off, there's the Independence Grand Gala at the National Stadium on August 6, beginning at 5 p.m. And if you cannot be in Kingston, no worries whatsoever. The gala will be streamed on the live sites in your parish. But you don't have to settle for the vicarious version of Jamaica 50 activities. Actuality is in the making. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, is working with a number of Jamaica 50 parish committees to develop programs for each parish.
Some of them will have floats, some of them will have their own mini Grand Galas. In the West, for example, I know that the Second City has come up with the Western Grand Gala celebrations, and they actually have a 3-day program of activities at Dump Up Beach.
It's Jamaica 50 celebrations all year round. Keep up to date now. Visit the Jamaica 50 website, www.jamaica50.com, or the JIS's website, www.jis.gov.jm, to learn all about the events. It's our Golden Jubilee, Jamaica at 50, and we are a nation on a mission.